Do you ever wonder why some video editors can find incredible success in the field and make thousands of dollars per month online from their computer and be able to travel the world and enjoy freedom, yet others struggle to even make a single dollar online? Some editors just seem to get lucky all the time and scoop up all the best, highest paying clients on the market, and then you have all the other editors who never actually make it. Maybe they will make a few $100s here and there, but they never become that person who lands a $1,000 client, then another $2,000 a month one, and then all of a sudden they are doing over $5,000 per month and making a full-time income from their passion, traveling the world, getting into the right circles, and building up their career rapidly. Somehow they just get bigger and bigger opportunities, and all of a sudden they are living the exact lifestyle that most of us got into this field for in the first place. So what's the difference between these guys and everybody else who is struggling, they get stuck, and then eventually quit and go back to a soul-sucking job that doesn't fulfill them and doesn't give them the freedom that they want? Why is it that some of these editors are always on fire, getting new clients left and right, while everybody else is staying stuck? In this video, I will reveal to you the top 5 key differences that I've personally identified after having made close to 7 figures in the content creation space, having helped hundreds of video editors land their first few clients, quit their job, and go full-time on their passion. Now, if you're new around here, here's a little bit of background on me. My name is Vince. I'm currently 21 years old. I live in Dubai. I actually also started out as a freelance video editor at 15 years old from Hungary, trying to get some clients online. I was able to go full-time with it in just under a year, making consistently $5,000 a month. Then I built a content agency that has probably made content and YouTube videos for some of your favorite creators as well. At that agency, we were basically doing everything for our clients, from finding video ideas, scripting them, editing them, doing the thumbnails, even uploading the videos and doing the SEO for them. So that's the business that I've eventually transitioned to, and I built that up to 6 figures a year. I also grew my YouTube channel since then to over 260,000 subscribers at the time of me recording this quick video. I've generated tens of millions of views, and for my clients collectively made millions of dollars online through content marketing. So again, in that time period when I started out from 15 to 16 years old, I was able to go from not having any clients or making any money online with my editing skills to being able to go full time. Oh, and by the way, I was still going to high school and also just getting my editing done outside of all my school activities. And since then, I've been able to scale my online businesses in the content space to over $50,000 per month. But if I'm being very honest with you, I feel like I actually got very lucky. I didn't initially expect to get these kind of results at all when I was just starting out. Because the truth is, I'm not some genius or anything like that. I was literally just an average regular kid from Hungary who wanted to make some money online and got some editing skills already. But my luck and the thing that allowed me to get these results was the fact that I got into self-improvement and getting access to the right information at a very early age. I had some amazing mentors and joined some amazing coaching programs throughout my journey, which got me the right information that I needed to get the results that I wanted once I paired it with a lot of hard work. So the 5 key factors and things that I've realized that separate those who get all the clients and those who don't are the following. Number 1, having the correct mindset, beliefs, and self-identity so that you won't actually self-sabotage and stop doing the things that you know you need to do, and that you will be actually able to achieve consistency finally in your work. Once you can unlock this and you can stop self-sabotaging yourself, you will be able to also see the results that you are after. Then second, learning how to generate sales appointment on demand, and then learning how to actually handle any objections that a prospect might throw your way and close deals on the phone. Then third, building a unique, high quality personal brand that will catch the attention of all the best clients on the market, and you can actually stand out from the sea of other video editors. Then fourth, learning how to deliver an amazing service quality consistently, even once you have more clients, so your reputation only becomes better and better instead of it getting worse as you are doing more work. And then 5, having access to an elite network of other editors who are already ahead of you, so you can not only network with them and get motivated by them and learn from them, but also you can watch out for all the mistakes that they have already made before you, so you won't have to make the same mistakes and you can get the same progress that they already got in way less time. And these are the exact same things that we also focus in our program as well. Because simply if you just master these 5 things, you will be able to absolutely run laps around 99% of other video editors. Truth is, nowadays it's not enough to be just a good video editor and have great skills in the softwares. If you want to actually thrive, what you need to do is you need to learn the business side of things as well. These are things like creating an offer, learning how to create a killer portfolio that actually stands out, convinces clients, and that also acts as a landing page, learning how to get attention on your work and actually book qualified appointments on demand, learning how to handle all objections and close deals, and delivering high quality work consistently so you can retain your clients longer and get referral clients as well. You will learn all of the above in our program thanks to the 3 support pillars that we have put in place. Number 1, you get recorded, detailed, step-by-step video modules on how to do everything from A to Z. Number 2, you get weekly group coaching calls from me and also other full-time successful video editors so you can get all your questions answered, get your work and your outreach reviewed, and get direct feedback on how you can improve it. And number 3, you get a private community of like-minded elite level video editors. The problem with most video editing courses on the market is that they are only focused on making you better at the editing skills, but they are completely lacking in all other aspects. But this one we designed in a specific way to help you level up all across the board and become a full stack video editor. You will also learn all the business tactics that I've learned as a full-time video editor that helped me sign clients at prices that made me smile ear to ear when that payment finally came through. Now, simply put, you being in this program will be a huge unfair advantage against every single video editor out there that you will be competing with. Because even if somebody is a more skilled video editor than you will be able to beat them at their own game through the business and life skills that you will learn. Now, because this program is designed only for the most serious video editors and you will be not only getting the highest quality training but also group coaching inside, it's obviously not free. So unfortunately, if you are completely broke right now, this is probably not for you. But if you are ready to invest into yourself and you have some capital ready, then this might just be for you. So if you are ready to make a change and finally get unstuck in your editing career and start landing some clients, then make sure to go ahead and click the link below this video to apply to join the program. You will be able to talk to my team member first and potentially even me, where we'll be assessing whether you would be a good fit for this or not, and you will be able to also ask more questions about the program, see whether this is exactly what you need or not, and then continue on from there. So thank you so much for your attention. I appreciate you watching until the end, and see you inside.